In today's video, I'll show you how to fix GTA Vice City not launching on modern PCs using the reversed source code. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option and wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, select the download now option. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. D3D9 OAL. Open this folder if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 64-bit system. Then just close off here. I look on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Open the window, just drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Right click on the REVC and select show more and select send it to desktop create shortcut. Now just close off here and launch the game through the newly created shortcut. And the game will open up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.